Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will be explore how to upload a CSV file into BI Builder to create a dataset, a powerful tool for extracting detailed insights and reports from our Bitrix CRM. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a clear understanding of how to utilizing BI Builder to streamline your data analysis, create impactful visualization, and make well-informed business decisions. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's dive into. Just we recap in the previous session how to create a dataset from a CSV file in the BI Builder. This is the content today's session. I have already explained introduction of BI Builder, how to preparing a CSV file. Today we are focusing on uploading CSV file to BI Builder. Let's dive into how to create a data set in the BI Builder. Uploading CSV file to BI Builder. Step Step 1. A detailed procedure how to import data, including selecting data sources, connecting to databases, and verifying successful import. If there is any errors, you can handling through identifying, diagnosing, and resolving common issues encountered while importing data into the system. You need to configure data settings. Metadata customization. That means instruction for personalization metadata, including defining fields, setting data types, and managing tags for enhancing data organization. Uploading policies. That means guidelines to establish and impacting policies for regularly updating and monitoring, maintaining the data sets to ensure relevance and accuracy. So let's go how to upload and configure a CSV file in the BI Builder, and then we create a data set. Steps to upload and configure a CSV file in a BI Builder. You need to access permissions BI Builder. If you have access permissions for creating the data set, first log in into your Bitrix account, go to the BI Builder, and then go to Analytical Hub, top of the BI Builder. After that, go to the datasets and click the create button, and immediately create dataset page will be displayed. You can upload your file. That means selected your file, drag through the drag and drop from your local system. In the bottom encoding option, choose UTF-8 or ANSI for proper character representation. Separator. Pick the character separating values in your file. Either we prefer comma or semicolon. Data format. That means configure date, time, currency, and the number formats to match your CSV file settings. I will show you after uploading a file. In the right side, your data will be displayed for the preview purpose. This is your data after uploading file from your local system or Bitrix drive. Next, in the left side, you need to enabling first row is a header. It's it is very useful for you. Why? Because if the first row contains column names, if disabled, the first row will be treated as data and default column names. Example field underscore 1 or field underscore 2 like this. If you disabling first row is an header. So every time you can enabling first row is an header, and then automatically your data fields will be will be mapping for creating data sets. Review the preview to ensure data is displayed correctly. Remove unnecessary columns like unchecked columns not required for your data set. Set data types. Match each column type, example date, numeric, and text to the file content. Mention the column name. Use meaningful names for easily identification, and finalize and save it. Review all configuration in the preview. Save the dataset for use in BA Builder. Important note: column types and names cannot be changed after saving. Update to the dataset required uploading a CSV file with the same structure as the original. This streamlined process ensuring your data is correctly imported and ready for analysis. This is a way to uploading a file for creating dataset in BI Builder. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more content. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comment below. Stay tuned for next video as we continue to unlock full potential of your CRM. Thank you very much.